magic mirror on the wall.
Oh, for the days when that was all. What dost thou know about my queen? Think she be the only villain I have seen? Think again. Which is why I have summoned you. Oh, for the days when only one villain summoned me, a queen with a question. You know how it goes. Magic mirror on the wall. Your turn. Who's the fairest one of all? Well done. But define fair. Beautiful? Once upon a time it was. But these days, villains are preoccupied with who's been treated the most unfairly of all. Each evil villain here would like to suggest that they're not bad apples, they just get bad press. So they whine and they ask if they're victims of a grudge. I just reflect. I can't judge. To make matters worse, when they find a looking glass and recite that question they continually ask, the evil queen strikes with a terrifying crash and smashes into bits. It's up to you to tell them what you see. Please make a choice so they'll stop asking me.
Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
But I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
You see, I've been enchanted to answer only to the queen. Still, they're relentless, so I need you to intervene. Help me appease them. They torment me all night and day. You be the judge.
I beg you, make them go. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
Oh, I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
See how it worsens? Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
You see, tragically misunderstood.
Ruthless,
Driven.
devious,
Creative.
and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that one! Of course I did. There is love here. Hello, darlings. That's me.
Doesn't scare you, no evil thing will.
I'm true. I'm full of surprises. Yes. It's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Hello, darlings! You see, utterly gobsmacked. And some of you do understand. Good, so fabulous he is, darling.
Children, and there are few
I want you here! This is my fault. I am a flair for fashion. Oh, that the puppies stirred my passion. Great artists are always so misunderstood, darlings. It's enough to make one see sports. It's pronounced cool. Eyes up here, darling. Get my good side. Yes.
Watching you from underneath the wall.
But true.
Cruella de Vil.
did I tell you? Incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the glass.
You answer me.
No. I have told you I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of rock to sell you.
So try the life of a king.
Really?
Dissemble the life of a crook. There isn't a one who won't have fun nor ever Captain Hook. The world's most famous crook. I finally made it through the glass. Oh, well, hello. Captain Hook at your service. No applause. That brat Peter Pan gets all the attention. Even Smee likes him better than me. Do you? Dare you boo me too? Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize that a benevolent captain, like myself, can offer you freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up? Fancy that. Answering to, oh, well, let me see. No one. Sing. Yo-ho. So try the life of a thief. Just sample the life of a crook. There isn't one who won't have fun over keeping Captain Hook, the world's most famous crook. Oh, a dance break. Enough of that. Look here, a special offer for today. I'll tell you what I'll do. All those who sign without delay will get a free tattoo. Why, it's like money in the bank. Come on, join up, and I'll be frank. Unless you do, you'll walk the plank. The choice is up to you. Oh, you like that? Hello! Oh no! Oh, magic mirror on the wall. Who's the most misunderstood? By me, that's all. You love the life of a thief, you'll relish the life of a crook. There's sparrows of fun for everyone. You'll get treasures by the ton. I'm singing, so come and sign the book. Join up with Captain Hook. I love you for loving me. And I can tap dance too. Take that Peter Pan.
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so.
We'll pay.
They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh yes, the fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
Frightened, the knave in the mirror away have I. Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten? Left off the list? Omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending, except you. It's soul crushing. I've been woefully misinterpreted. You'll love me at once. was my curse that brought Sleeping Beauty the kiss of true love. I suppose you could say the happily ever after of Princess Aurora was my doing! Does anyone ever think of it like that? Tragically misunderstood! Magic mirror on the wall. Misunderstood. Is that your call?
No, that would be them.
How perfect! They've seen the light! It's never wrong to make things right! You'll love me at once, the way you did once!
Villains do love a dramatic exit.
It's my turn.
This never ends.
Hold it right there, Mr. Floaty Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello! She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the cat!
Petty, insignificant, and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's so far good enough, cat?
Two at a time?
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, I will let him know. I was here first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need little keys to go with that.
Silence!
Okay, I'm cool. I know. I'm cool. Hey, whoever's knocking, never mind. I was here first. Okay.
I dare any to challenge all that I represent.
Dismissed, rejected, publicly humiliated.
Banished and exiled, practically starving.
Cats and their fancy cars don't give you so much the side of this class.
Oh no, more than three? How can it be?
I really want just a little mistake.
Could it be possible you don't know who I am?
I was the Grand Vizier of Hyderabad!
That it has come to this.
Hold it right there!
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shattered. Again. Too many. Must end. Were you? Yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them! Choose the most misunderstood! But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill?
Considering to the top.
Cruella de Vil! Or shout for the world's most famous crook.
Let me feel the love and scream for me. Oh, you can be louder than that. Let me hear you yell.
Or scream the deviant of evil.
My curse produced true love!
Maleficent, the mistress of all evil.
my glittering assembly.
The smoke in the mirror never lies. You have revealed the most villainized. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
You know the words. Sing along! We did it! Redemption! I adore you! Your taste is impeccable! Especially yours, darling. I am tedious, darlings, and misunderstood! Your choice. Now don't forget, what you see is what you get.
Hey, Jules, now off you go.
Did I say I'd leave?
Well,
no.
But aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anything.
Why must I endure riffraff?
The villain always gets the last laugh.
You're reading rather well, and for it have a tale to tell. Now gather your belongings, take them with you as you go. Move quickly, safely down the road, now out the back you go. But come again another day, it may turn out a different way.